Israel has escalated its military campaign in Yemen with a series of airstrikes on the capital, Sana'a. Fighter jets reportedly targeted fuel depots, a power station, and even a compound believed to house Yemen's presidential palace. According to the Israeli military, more than 30 munitions were dropped during the operation. They claimed the strikes were aimed at sites used by Houthi forces, who in recent months have repeatedly launched missiles and drones toward Israel. But despite these operations, the Houthis continued to fire long-range ballistic missiles into Israeli airspace. Each launch forces millions of civilians to take shelter and costs Israel millions of dollars in defense interceptors and air patrols. Israel's defense minister insists that the military will go to any lengths to destroy Houthi infrastructure. Yet this isn't the first round of airstrikes in Yemen, and the Houthi attacks show no signs of stopping. The Houthis themselves claim their attacks are acts of solidarity with Palestinians in Gaza. They vow to continue as long as Israel's war there continues. As tensions widened beyond Gaza, Israel now finds itself locked in another front of conflict.